Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to tell you how you can download and install anti-gravity software on your Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, enter Google on your web browser. Now write here anti-gravity and press enter. Here you can see that Google anti-gravity official website is here. You can just click it here and we will going to install it on Windows. So we will click on download for Windows. So here you can see that there are three versions available, Linux, Windows and Mac. So we will going for a Windows option. So if you have Windows 64-bit operating system, then you just need to click on this one, and here you can see that our file is getting started downloading. So until it's getting downloaded, just wait, and once it's downloaded we will proceed with the installation process. So here you can see the software has been downloaded. So we just need to go into the folder where the software has been downloaded. So here is our anti-gravity software. So what you need to do is just double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will take you to into the installation process. So now here I accept the tick on the I accept the agreement and then click on the next. Choose the installation folder where you need to where you want to install your anti-gravity software. After that just click on next, and same click on the next. So if you want to create a desktop icon, then check on it, otherwise there is no need to check on this icon. Now click on next, and now once you click on the install, it will begin the installation process. So our anti-gravity software is now being installed in our PC. So wait until the software has been installed in our Windows computer. So now our setup has been installed in our PC. So just click on finish. Do you want to allow public and private network to access this app? So just allow it. Now we will set up our anti-gravity software. So begin it by clicking on next. So now choose setup flow. So we will it will ask you to import from a cursor. So cursor is an AI model. So we will just click on this start fresh, and now you need to choose a editor theme. So I will go with the tokenite, and then click on next. Here, how do you want to use the anti-gravity agent? Agent driven development or secure mode. So recommended is this one. So use with if you want to change, you can change it, otherwise make it as the recommended review and development. So now thermal execution policy, okay. So now click on next. uh, Keep things as it is, configure your editor next, and now you need to sign into the Google account. So once you click on it, it will take you to your Google account. So just click on your Google account and yes, sign in. Now open AntiGravity. Now just click on yes, I agree to allow to Google to collect and use my interactions. Click on the next. Now that's all. You have set the anti-gravity software, and now you can use it for your purposes. You can open a folder or open a agent manager as well, or you can also clone a repository. So that's all. That's how you can install and download anti-gravity on your Windows PC.